Dog grooming clippers are a fundamental tool for pet owners who want to maintain their dog's coat between professional visits. The right clipper can reduce stress for both pet and owner, improve grooming consistency, and save money over time. In this comparison, I tested 5 models across price points from budget to premium, focusing on noise level, motor performance, blade quality, ease of maintenance.
List number 1. One is all dog clipper low noise. This gold-colored, budget-friendly kit emphasizes low noise, below 50 decibels, and beginner-friendly operation. It ships with 6 guide combs, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 millimeters, a charger that supports charging while in use, a 1-second startup, and a removable cutter head designed for quick cleaning. The product touts an upgraded stainless steel fixed blade and a 3-layer safety design to minimize injury, and it's a long-time top seller with a broad adoption base. Weight is 380 grams, and it uses a rechargeable battery with included lipo cells packaged for general body grooming. Performance-wise, the combination of a sub-50 decibel motor and a stainless steel blade delivers a predictable cut for small to medium dogs with short to medium coats. The included self-contained cleaning workflow, remove the head in 1 second and rinse, simplifies maintenance between sessions. Given its price, it's best suited for light to moderate grooming tasks, such as trimming around the body and routine shaping, though owners with very thick or mats may need a more powerful unit or additional scissor prep. The lifetime warranty adds value for a budget purchase, but the lower torque motor means longer sessions on dense coats can be tiring for the tool.
List number 2. One is all dog clippers for grooming for thick heavy. A thicker coat-focused model that uses stainless steel blades rated at about 6,800 RPM with IPX7 waterproofing. It features a USB-C-like charging approach, a long runtime, up to 240 minutes, with a 2-hour full charge, and 10 detachable combs ranging from 3mm to 25mm. It weighs around 311 grams and is designed to glide through dense coats with minimal tug. The IPX7 waterproofing rating means the whole unit can be washed directly, and the 55 dB noise level keeps it relatively quiet for most pets. In practice, the 6,800 RPM steel blade helps reduce pull in thick coats, and the 10 combs provide broad styling versatility from puppy trims to longer trims. The waterproofing simplifies maintenance, and the cordless design makes it convenient for outdoor use. However, the blade is not user serviceable, and the manufacturer notes potential issues during grooming should they arise. Customer support is available under a 24-month protection plan. The long runtime is a major plus for multi-pet households, but the higher price point relative to the budget model reflects its added durability and capability.
List number 3. One is all dog clippers. This 15-piece kit includes standard clippers with an LCD battery indicator, 2 speeds, and 6 guide guards, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 millimeters. It also includes a dedicated paw trimmer for sensitive areas, making it a 2-in-1 offering aimed at owners who want both full body grooming and precise paw work. The weight is about 0.84 kilograms, and the kit comes with USB charging and an internal battery system designed for up to 2.5 hours of clipper use and 2 hours for the paw trimmer after a 2-hour charge. The LCD display is helpful for monitoring remaining power, and the 2-speed operation allows a gentler approach on small dogs or dogs with sensitive skin and more aggressive trims for large breeds. The included paw trimmer heads improve convenience in trimming delicate areas without switching tools. A potential drawback is the bulkier overall kit footprint, and the fact that the base clippers themselves might feel heavier during extended grooming sessions. For multi-pet households, the combined versatility can justify the weight.
List number 4. Dog grooming kit with vacuum. A premium all-in-one system that combines a clipping function with an integrated vacuum, designed to capture shedding hairs directly into a 2-liter dustbin. The kit includes a variety of guards and a de-shedding brush, plus cleaning attachments, and ships in a compact white housing. It emphasizes quiet operation and a storage-friendly footprint, ideal for apartments or homes with limited space. The weight is 3.58 kilograms, which reflects the vacuum integration and additional components. In use, the vacuum-assisted clipping reduces the mess and simplifies post-groom cleanup, particularly during seasonal shedding. The 3 adjustable suction levels let users tune the system to pet size and coat type, while the included de-shedding brush helps with overall coat maintenance between trims. However, the combination unit means more maintenance and cleaning of filters, hoses, and the bin, and the corded power design may limit portability compared with cordless options. It excels for regular grooming in a controlled home environment.
List number 5. 1IS-ALL Dog Grooming Kit for Heavy Thick Hair. The RFC 676 plus P20 kit targets heavy thick coats with a 6800 RPM stainless steel blade and a built-in paw trimmer. It includes 2000 mAh clippers and an 800 mAh paw trimmer with 6 guide combs for various lengths. It advertises IPX7 waterproofing, cordless operation, and a 2-year warranty. The overall weight is about 0.82 kilograms, and the kit is designed to cover full body grooming plus detailed paw work for sensitive areas. Performance-wise, the 6800 RPM steel blade, together with the 2000 mAh main battery, supports long sessions on thick coats, while the paw trimmer adds convenience for trimming paws and facial areas. The IPX7 waterproofing enhances durability and maintenance, and the cordless design improves maneuverability. Some users may find the dual battery approach preferable for long grooming days, though this can add to cost. Overall, this model sits toward the premium end of the budget to mid-range and is a good fit for households with thick-coated dogs.